एग्जाम्पल्स में फर्दर रीइंफोर्स करते हैं सारे कॉन्सेप्ट को. द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज द मैनेजर मेड द सेल्समैन अटेंड द कॉन्फ्रेंस. The manager made the salesman attend the conference. Made followed by the simple verb form. The teacher always makes the children stay in their seats. Again, simple verb form followed by make. George made his son to be quiet in the theater. So again, the word made is followed by a silence or quiet simple verb form in the sentence. And again, these are all forced conditions. A manager is forcing the salesman, a teacher is forcing their student, or a father is forcing a son to be quiet in a theater. Furthermore, the president is making his cabinet members sign this document. So again, this is a forced feature. It's more stronger. It's not a request or a plea whatsoever. It's a forced job get done by president from president by his members, cabinet members. Another example is the teacher had made the students' parents sign release forms before he let the students jump on the trampoline. So that's how a teacher has forced the parents of the kids to get those trampoline things done with their consent form signed. So again, all the forced conditions जिसमें you are forcing someone to get his or her job done, आप उसमें make को इस्तेमाल करेंगे.